Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn class 10 maths chapter number 8 introduction to trigonometry exercise 8.2 question number 1. Evaluate the following. First one is sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. So now see, we have to revise the table of angles. Okay, we know that sin theta over here we can write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Now see, we know that the value of sin theta, it means sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 degree is 1. Also we have to use cos 60 and cos 30. Okay, so also we will derive cos theta over here. So cos theta is 1, sorry, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree is 0. Is it clear? Now see, we have to use sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into cos 30. So again cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 into cos 60. So cos 60 is again 1 by 2. So simplify. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3 upon 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 plus 2 2s are 4. Now we take LCM. So we get 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 4. So we get 1. Is it clear? Now second thing, cos 60, sorry, sin 60 cos 30, sin 30 cos 60. It gives one formula. Now see, short trick. It's short trick. Okay. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B. Okay, is it clear? See, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to, we can write sin A plus B. It means here A equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So it means we can write sin 60 plus 30 and sin 60 plus 30 means sin 90 degree. And the value of sin 90 degree is 1. So we get 1 is the answer. Okay. Now, okay, so now second number, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degree. So see, the value of tan 45 is, we can write as sin theta upon cos theta. It means sin 45 upon cos 45. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. So the value of cos 45 will be 1. So here we can add 2 bracket 1 square plus cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So we can write root 3 by 2 square minus sin 60. Sin 60 is again root 3 by 2. So we can write root 3 by 2 square. Now simplify. So now see, here root 3 by 2 square positive and root 3 by 2 square negative. So we get 0 because it will be cancelled out. So we get 2 bracket 1 because 1 square 1. So 2 ones are 2. Is it clear? So no need to simplify because same value. If we have to simplify, then we get a 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus will be cancelled out. Okay, next question number 3. Cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cos 30. Now see, cos 45 means 1 upon root 2 whole divided by sec 30. Sec 30 means we can write 1 upon cos 30. Okay, and the value of cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. So we can write sec 30 equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, so 2 by root 3 plus, same as here, cos 30 is equal to, we can write 1 upon sin. The value of sin will be 1 by 2. So the value of cos 30 will be 2. Is it clear? Now simplify. So we get 1 upon root 2 all divided by, we will take LCM over here. So we can write root 3, 2 plus 2 root 3. Is it clear? Now we have to convert in multiplication form. Okay, so we can write 1 upon root 2 multiply by, so root 3 will be goes in numerator. So we can write root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3 is equal to, we get root 3 upon, now we have to multiply over here root 2. So root 2 plus 2 root 6, because 2 is 6. Now see, here we have to use rationalization form. So we have to multiply and divide by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Is it clear? So root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 as it is. Multiply and divide by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Is it clear? So we get, now here we have to multiply root 3. So we get 2 root 6, because again 3 roots are 6, minus 2 under root 3 6 are 18, and upon, in denominator we can write 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. It means we can write a square minus b square form. So we can write 2 under root 2 square minus 2 under root 6 square. A square minus b square is equal to 2 under root 6 as it is, minus, now we see, under root 18 will be 9 to the 18, it means 3 root 2. So we can write 2 bracket 3 root 2 whole divided by 2 root 2 square, means 2 square 4, root 2 square 2, so 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 2 root 6 square, 2 square 4, root 6 square 6, so 6 4s are 24. So we can write 2 under root 6 minus 3 2s are 6 root 2 upon 24 minus 8 minus 16 minus 16. Also we use common 2 from numerator, so we can write 2 common. So root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 16. So cancel out, 2 8s are 16. So final answer is root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 8. Root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon minus 8 is the final answer. Is it clear? So after getting this result, we have to use rationalization and simplify is the final answer. Is it clear? Okay, so next question number 4. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cos 60 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So from table we have to put the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree is equal to 1 minus cosec 60. So we have to find first sin 60. So sin 60 will be 1 by 2. Okay, sin 60 will be root 3 by 2. So the value of cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Okay, so here we can write 2 by root 3. What divided by sec 30? Sec 30 will be 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1. Now see, we will take LCM. LCM is 2 root 3. So here we have to multiply root 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4 whole divided by, same as here, LCM will be 2 root 3. So 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now see, here LCM is the same, so we can cancel out. So here 2 root 3 plus root 3 will be 3 root 3 minus 4 upon, same as here, 4 plus 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 times root 3. Now see, now we have to apply rationalization. It means we have to multiply and divide by 4 minus root 3. Okay. So here we have to multiply 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 root 3 as it is. Multiply and divide by 4 minus 3 root 3 upon 4 minus 3 root 3. So we get, in numerator we get 3 root 3 into 4. So 3 4s are 12 root 3. 3 root 3 into 0 root 3, it will be 27, because 3 root 3 square will be 27, minus 4 4s are 16, plus 4 3s are 12 root 3. And in denominator we can write a minus b plus b4, means a square minus b square. So we have to write 4 square minus 3 root 3 square is equal to 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3, it gives 24 root 3, minus 27 plus 16, because both are minus, so we can add 6 plus 7, 13. So 13. So 3 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 43 upon 4 square, 16 minus 3 root 3 square, 27. So it gives 24 root 3 minus 43 upon 27 minus 16. It will be minus 7 minus 6, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So is the final answer. Okay, 20 root 3 minus 43 upon minus 11. Okay, next, fifth one. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay, so 5 bracket cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 square plus 4 bracket sec square 30. Sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. So we can write 2 by root 3 square minus 10 45 will be 1 over divided by sin 30 will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we can write root 3 by 2 square is equal to, now see, 5 bracket 1 by 2 square gives 1 by 4 plus 4 bracket 2 by root 3 square, it means 2 square 4 upon root 3 square 3 minus 1 over divided by 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. Now see, simplified. So 5 by 4 plus 4 4 is 16 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by. Now see, here we have to take LCM. So LCM will be 4. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. So 4 by 4 will be cancelled. So it gives 1. See, 3 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to. Now take LCM over here. So LCM is 4 3s are 12. So here multiply by 3. 3 4s are 12. Here multiply by 4 because 4 3s are 12. Here multiply by 12 because 12 ones are 12. So 3 5s are 15 plus 16 3s are. So 16 4s are 64 minus 12. 1 divided by 4 by 4. 1. Is it clear? So no need to write. So we can write 12. Here add 64 plus 15. So 5 plus 4 9. 6 plus 1 7. 79 minus 12. So 79 minus 12 will be 9 minus 2. 7. 7 minus 1 6. 67 by 12 is the answer. Is it clear?